Hello, in the past 24 hours we have seen some major activity. Start over here by Mount Rainier and Mount St. Helens. Over here by Mount St. Helens, just a bit south of west, there was a 1.4. Now that was yesterday. Now inside of Mount St. Helens there was a 0.7. This was also yesterday. Or today, UTC time. Coming up to Mount Rainier, they also had an earthquake just a bit away from the volcano. This was a 0.4 yesterday, and then Mount Rainier had actually two earthquakes, a magnitude 0.1 today and a 0.7. These were both inside the volcano. Coming over to Arkansas, we saw a 1.7 and a 2.4. These were both today. Also in relation to Ridgely, Tennessee, these are just a bit southwest. In Ridgely, we saw an earthquake yesterday on the other side of this river. Looks like just in the last couple of minutes there was a magnitude 3 here in Oklahoma. This was just north of Lindsay. Taking a quick look at activity near Hawaii, it looks like there is nothing of note. Yesterday or last night we saw a major, somewhat of a swarm of earthquakes just south of Fiji. It started with a magnitude 6.8 at a very deep 628 kilometers, followed by a magnitude 7 at also a very deep 665 kilometers, finally followed by a 6.6 also at a very deep 623 kilometers. All three of these earthquakes did create tsunami statements. A tsunami statement basically says a large earthquake occurred and there will be no tsunami. Also down here in New Zealand, they had a magnitude 4, quite a deep magnitude 4, at 157 kilometers. Also look at Japan, they had a magnitude 5 today at 0840 UTC. Finally, 4 earthquakes coming over to Italy. They had a major magnitude 5.6. This was today at 0607 UTC. This was just off the coast of Pesaro, or Ancona. On the USGS event page, there was 177 Digifila reports. There's no tectonic summary. Interestingly, looking at the shake map product, the USGS picks at least an MMI of 2.5 reaching to the west coast of Italy. Now here's the Italian Earthquake Agency. We're looking at all earthquakes for the past 7 days. Zooming this area on the INGV, it is absolutely covered with small earthquake activity. Let's come over to Tropical Storm Nicole. Their summary basically still says the same thing. We are expecting dangerous storm surge and hurricane conditions across Florida, Georgia, and the Bahamas. Taking a look at the track of the storm, it looks like it is continuing to move towards the northwest. Thank you for checking out today's video, and stay tuned for the next one.